This man. Get in the car and don't put the seatbelt on. Why you get in the car and don't put your seatbelt on? You know you need a seatbelt. Put the seatbelt on so we can go.
I'm trying to take a video of me.
He a hot mess. Y'all gotta meet Karter. He a hot mess. I'm hungry. You hungry?
No.
You don't want nothing to eat?
I'm hungry.
You just said, so why you said no? So what you want to eat?
I want to eat McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Yeah.
Ugh. Why you want McDonald's?
I want it.
What you want from McDonald's?
I want a Happy Meal.
A Happy Meal, of course. What kind of Happy Meal?
Spider-Man Happy Meal.
Boy, I'm talking about the food. See? You talking about something else. I'm talking about you want a cheeseburger, you want nuggets, what?
No cheeseburger.
No cheeseburger? Or you want a cheeseburger?
I don't want it.
What you want?
I want nuggets and fries and a tour. And a drink.
And fries and
Can you go get it?
Can I go get what?
My McDonald's.
Sure.
Today.
Sure.
Come on. I got my seatbelt on.
Alright, let me go get this McDonald's, y'all. We'll be back. This boy got me at his McDonald's. You better stop before you run into somebody. Stop. You irritating. Get off that dirty floor. Got me in here. And it's a bunch of kids in here cussing and stuff. Get your butt up. He irritates. You better get over here before somebody snatch you. He greedy. You happy now? Alright, I'm gonna holler back. I said holler back. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get home because I gotta drive. Why this boy talk to me about somebody throw up? Who? They threw up some green stuff?
Yes.
A grown lady.
A grown lady.
He almost to his grandma's house. Then he can get out of here.
I'm not doing nothing.
Almost to grandma's house. And I'm the chauffeur. And I'm the chauffeur. I couldn't say chauffeur. Y'all saw that? Looking crazy. And he talking about he ain't eat all his food. Talking about he got one nugget left. What you gonna do with one nugget later? Besides be mad that you ain't got more. One little nugget. Y'all see my one dimple? One dimple. That's the only one I get.
What do you?
Huh?
What do you want?
For a Debo.
Yes.
I don't know. He in the house. We ain't got there yet. How I supposed to know where Debo at? I don't live with Debo.
Yeah, you do.
Let me hurry up and get this boy out of here. We at his grandma's house.
I love my grandma.
I know.
See you later.
Well, see you later. You ain't getting out until they open the door. This boy tripping. He's a mess. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. Y'all have to let him out of here. Now say bye. Say bye to my vlog. Say bye right now. Alright, see if I buy you any more McDonald's when you get out of school hungry. What's on your forehead?
Stick up.
Say bye.
No.
You got that mess all over your... Say bye.
Bye.
Terrible. So I'm back. I'm back from picking up my little cousin and dropping him off with his grandma. And our adventures at McDonald's. Boy, I tell you. Boy, I tell you. These teenage kids today, disrespectful. Ooh, they so disrespectful. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I'm telling y'all right now, I cannot stand y'all teenage kids, okay? If you got a teenage kid in middle school, in high school, I don't like them. I don't like your kid. I don't. Because let me tell you, when you ain't around, the disrespect is real. Real. They act like you ain't standing there. They don't care about nobody but themselves. I don't like it. But anyway, y'all, this is gonna be the end of this little short vlog that I did in the car and picking up Carter. Y'all got to meet Carter. He's a riot. He's a mess. He's a handful. But that's my little homie. One of my baby cousins of many. I'm gonna have to do another video for y'all though with baby Chuck, because I believe back in the day I made a vlog with him in it, but he was a newborn baby. He a big boy now, so I'm gonna have to do a video with him in it too, so y'all can see him. Yeah, he didn't get up there. He a big boy now. But yeah, so this gonna be the end of this, guys. Those teenagers in McDonald's was throwing me. I had to get up out of there. Get up out of there fast. You understand me? Bye. Bye, y'all.